What if I told you your procrastination isn't your fault? Seriously, you're not lazy, you're not broken. Think about the last time you sat down to study. You opened your laptop, you had a plan, maybe even a schedule, and then suddenly your brain said, let's check one notification. One video won't hurt. I'll start in 5 minutes. And somehow, it's midnight. Here's the crazy part. Your brain loves procrastination. And today I'm going to show you why, and more importantly, how you can flip that switch in your favor starting today. Because once you understand this, studying stops feeling like a battle. It starts feeling automatic. Your brain is built to avoid pain and chase reward. That's its job. Thousands of years ago, that helped humans survive. But today, that same system makes your brain choose scrolling over studying every single time. Studying feels hard, slow, uncertain. Your phone feels fast, easy, rewarding. So your brain makes a simple decision. Let's do the easy thing. And suddenly you think you have a discipline problem, but you don't. You have a brain wiring problem. And here's the first fix nobody tells you. Your brain doesn't hate studying. It hates starting. Starting is the hardest moment. That's why the first trick is called the 2-minute rule. Instead of telling yourself, I'm going to study for 2 hours, tell yourself, I'm going to study for 2 minutes. That's it. Because once you start, your brain relaxes, resistance disappears, momentum kicks in, and suddenly 2 minutes turns into 20 without effort. Now here's the second reason your brain loves procrastination. Unclear tasks feel dangerous to your brain. When you tell yourself, I should study biology, your brain hears unknown effort, unknown time, unknown difficulty, so it avoids it. Instead, try this. Review Chapter 3 diagrams for 10 minutes. Suddenly, your brain feels safe enough to begin. But here's the real secret most students never discover. Your brain runs on dopamine, not motivation. Dopamine is what makes action feel exciting. And when studying has no dopamine attached to it, your brain chooses literally anything else. So here's what top students do differently. They create small wins. Instead of waiting for the big reward after hours of studying, they reward progress immediately. Finish one page, check it off, solve one problem, small break, complete one Pomodoro session, celebrate it. Your brain starts thinking, oh, this studying thing actually feels good. And once that happens, procrastination loses its power over you. Now imagine this. You sit down tomorrow, you open your book, you start with just 2 minutes. Your task is clear, you collect small wins, and suddenly studying doesn't feel heavy anymore. That's the moment everything changes, because procrastination disappears when your brain feels safe, clear, and rewarded. So here's what to remember. Your brain procrastinates because starting feels painful. Make starting tiny. Your brain avoids unclear tasks. Make tasks specific. Your brain follows dopamine. Create small wins fast. Do these 3 things and procrastination stops controlling you. If you like this video, hit subscribe and join the free newsletter. Thanks for watching.